know that a plus b, I'm solving it here. We know that a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. How it is, I will show you. This is also an identity. What is the meaning of identity? For any value, this formula or identity should prove. You can take any value in a and b, and finally you should get the value of a and b. Means the identity satisfies both the sides for any value, for any rational number or whatever. Now let's prove it first. How it is 4ab? So we know that a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab, then minus of a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now when you open the bracket, this will become minus, this will also become minus, and this will become plus. So you can see that minus b square plus b square cancel, minus a square plus a square cancel, 2ab plus 2ab is 4ab. Now in this question, in this particular question, a is x, the value of a is x and b is 1 upon x. If you place x in place of a and 1 upon x in place of b, x and x will cancel, and final value you will be getting as 4. So we will be using this identity to find the value of x plus 1 upon x. Now look at this. We can say that x plus 1 upon x whole square minus x minus 1 upon x whole square is equal to 4. Just now we have proved it. X plus 1 upon x you need to find out. X minus 1 upon x you already got as 2 root 3. Simply substitute the values. So this will be x plus 1 upon x whole square minus 2 under root 3 whole square is equal to 4. So this can be written as x plus 1 upon x whole square is equal to, this minus will go to this side, it will become plus. So 4 plus 2 under root 3 whole square. So that is 4 plus 2 root 3 square is 4, 3 are 12. So 12 and 4 is 16. X plus 1 upon x is equal to 16. It means x plus 1 upon x whole square is equal to 16. It means x plus 1 upon x is equal to under root 16, and under root 16 you can say plus minus 4. That is the final value of the second part. Now third part we have to find out x square minus 1 upon x square. So that can be, I am solving it this side. We know that a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. We have the value of x plus 1 upon x. We have the value of x minus 1 upon x. If we multiply these two, means third part, if I say x plus 1 upon x multiplied by x minus 1 upon x, you will be getting a square minus b square. That is x square minus 1 upon x square. So this is plus minus 4, means x plus 1 upon x is 4 into 2 under root 3, and this was plus minus. So 4 2s are 8. Finally it becomes is equal to x square minus 1 upon x square. So you can say that x square minus 1 upon x square is equal to 8 under root 3 with a plus and minus sign. This is the final value. This is the first part, then second part, and then third part. So we have done. Now we will take some other question based on these formula only. Next question I have taken is a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 20. A plus b plus c is equal to 0. You have to find the value of ab plus bc plus ca. Now which identity is used in this? Just look at them. I think you will find this one. a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2c. We know that a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. This is the identity, you can see. Now from these, if these three terms, if you take 2 common, you will be left with 2 times of AB plus BC plus C. What I have done, I have taken 2s common. Now just simply substitute the values and solve it out. A plus B plus C is given to you as 0. So 0 square will be 0 only. A square plus B square plus C square is 20. So just 20 plus 2 times of AB plus BC plus CA. You have to find the value of this term. So this 20 goes to the side, will become minus 20 is equal to 2 times of AB plus BC plus CA. So this 2 comes to the side, will be in division. So minus 20 upon 2, that is minus 10, and that is the value of AB plus BC plus CA. That is the final value. Next question is 2x plus 3y is equal to 13, xy is equal to 6. You have to find the value of 8x cube plus 27y cube. Now you can see, just find out which formula we should apply. So I think this formula, a cube plus b cube, because a is 2x, a cube is 8x cube. 3y is b, so 27y cube is b cube. It means we will apply this formula, third one, that is a plus b whole cube. So I am writing a plus b whole cube, that is 2x plus 3y whole cube can be written as a cube, that is 2x whole cube, plus b cube, that is 3y whole cube, plus 3 times of a b into a plus b, that is 2x plus 3y. Now if this was equal to 13, so this is 13 cube, 2 is 8x cube, 3 is 27 y cube, plus 3 3s are 9 2s are 18 xy, and 2x plus 3y is already given as 13. Xy is also given as 6, so in place of xy we will write as 6, means into 6. Now 13 square is 13 cube is 2197 is equal to 8x cube plus 27y cube plus 18 into 13 into 6 is 1404. When you will multiply, you will get the same value. Now simply you have to find this. So 2197 minus 1404. It means 8x cube plus 27y cube can be written as 2197 minus 1404, and that comes as 793. So that is the value. Now I will be taking few more questions based on a plus b whole cube or a minus b whole cube. Now this question I have taken purposely because this is a combination of two identities. It is given that a plus b is equal to 10, a square plus b square is equal to 58. You have to find out the value of a cube plus b cube. Now there is no relation between a square, b square and a cube plus b cube, though we have a relation between a plus b and a square plus b square. So first we will use the first identity that you have already studied in class 8 also. So we know that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A plus b is given to you 10. So 10 square is equal to a square plus b square is 58 plus 2 times of ab. So this will be 100. 10 square is 100. 58 comes to the side. Minus 58 is equal to 2ab. It means this can be written as 10 minus 8, 2. and 9 minus 42 is equal to 2ab. It means AB is equal to 42 upon 2, that is 21. What was my concept? Find the value of AB, because if we cube this, if we apply the cube formula, a cube plus b cube is equal to a cube, a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab. So we need the value of ab, that is why we use the first identity. Now we can use this third identity, a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab and a plus b. So what I am doing, again I am cubing this. We know that a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab bracket a plus b. You know the value of this is already given, that is 10 and cube. You have to find the value of a cube plus b cube plus 3 times ab. You already got as 21, so 21, and a plus b is 10. Now simply you have to solve it out. 10 cube is 1000. This will remain here, rest will come to the side. This is 63 into 10 is 630. So minus 630 is equal to a cube plus b cube. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 10 minus 3 is 7 and 9 minus 6 is 370 is the final value. So this identity or this question requires the information of two identities. One is a plus b whole square and other is a plus b whole cube. Now I'll take a similar type of question which may require a different concept. Next question is x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4 is equal to 47. Find the value of x cube plus 1 upon x cube. Now x to the power 4 is nowhere in this identity. But we can say that x square plus 1 upon x square. If you apply the formula of a plus b whole square, you will get a square, that is x to the power 4, plus b square, that is 1 upon x to the power 4, plus 2ab. So we will use the first formula, a plus b whole square. So that is a square, I am writing it directly, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now this value is given to you as 47, and you can see that this numerator and denominator will cancel out, so only 2 is left. So this can be written as 47 plus 2, that is 49. It means you can say that x square plus 1 upon x square whole square, 49 can be written as 7 square. It means x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 7. Now this x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4 has been converted to x square plus 1 upon x square. But we need x cube plus 1 upon x cube. How will we get this value? When we know the value of x plus 1 upon x. So again this will be converted to x plus 1 upon x by the same method. We know that x plus 1 upon x whole square can be written as a square plus b square plus 2ab. This x and x cancel. In this is x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 7. So that is 7 plus 2, that is 9. It means x plus 1 upon x square is equal to 3 square, implies that x plus 1 upon x is equal to 3. Now when you know the value of x plus 1 upon x equal to 3, simply you can apply a plus b whole cube. So I am going to solve it. I'll write x plus 1 upon x whole cube can be written as a cube plus b cube plus 3 times of a b into a plus b. Now x plus 1 upon x is 3, so simply 3 cube is equal to x cube plus 1 upon x cube, that we have to find out x cube plus 1 upon x cube plus 3 times of x into 1 upon x. So this x and this x will cancel. We will be left with 3 into, and x plus 1 upon x was already 3. So into 3. So this is 3 3s are 9 3s are 27. So 27. This 3 3s are 9 is comes to the side, minus 9 is equal to x cube plus 1 upon x cube. Hence x cube plus 1 upon x cube is equal to 3. That is the final value. Let's take few more questions and then we'll end up. 29 minus 7 is 18. It is not 3. That was my mistake. Sorry. Now one identity is this one. This in your textbooks it is given as a special identity, or this is a different type of identity. It has a different type of application. So first I will write this identity: a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c and a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c. Now what is special in this? In case sum of a, b and c is 0. For example, suppose I say a as 30, b as 20 and c as minus 50. Suppose a plus b plus c is 0. If a plus b plus c will be 0, then this total term will be 0, and something multiplied to something multiplied to 0 will also be 0. So all this portion on the right hand side will become to 0. So simply you can say that a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc if a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Now my main emphasis is on this identity, that is the last identity. Suppose you have to find the value of, so it is given that a is equal to 30, b is equal to 20, c is equal to minus 50. So find the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. So we know that this total portion a plus b plus c is equal to 0. So simply 30 cube plus 20 cube plus minus 50 cube will become 3 times of a, b, c. That is 3 3 is 9 2 is 18. 1800 into minus 50, that is minus of 120,000. That is the answer. I'll take few more questions to make you understand this again. The thing is, you need to remember, if a plus b plus c is 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube will be equal to 3 times of abc. If a plus b plus c is not equal to 0, then simply memorize the formula: a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c, and a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. So this is 1800 into minus 50, that is 90,000. That is the final value. Now we will be taking the next question. Next question I am taking: x plus y plus z is equal to 15, x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 83, and x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. You have to find the value of this. So again we will be using the same formula. We know that x plus y, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz can be written as x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz and minus zx. You have been given the value of x square plus y square plus z square is 83 and x plus y plus z is 15. So we'll simply substitute the values. I'll write x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z is equal to 15. So 15 into This can be written as x square plus y square plus z square can be written as 83 minus xy minus yz minus zx. Now x square plus y square plus z square is given to. Now in this you can see we require the value of xy minus yz minus zx. So what we can do, we can write it as 15 into all this, and this can be written as 15 into 83, and I'm taking minus common from this. So minus, it is xy plus yz plus zx. Now how to get the value of this? So this we can use by using, this we can get by using a plus b plus c whole square. If we use this identity now, we will get the value of this term. So I am using x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 times of xy plus yz plus zx. X plus y plus z is given to you as 15. So 15 square, that is 225. X square plus y square plus z square is given to you as 83 plus 2 times of xy plus yz plus zx. Now 225 minus 18. 225, we will be solving it here. Now 225 minus 83 is equal to 2 times of xy plus yz plus zx. So 5 minus 3 is 2 and 142, and this 2 will come in upon, so that is xy plus yz plus zx, that becomes as 71 is equal to xy plus yz plus zx. Let's check it. 5 minus 3 is 2, 8 and 4 12, so 142 upon 2 71. So this is the value of xy plus yz plus zx. Now we can put this value of xy plus yz plus zx in 71. So I am writing it over here. From this equation, it is x cube plus y cube plus z cube xyz was equal to 15 into 83 minus xy plus yz plus zx, xy plus yz plus zx equal to 71. So minus 71. This will be 15 into 1 and 2, 12. 12 5 is 60. 180 is the final value of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So this is all about expansions. There will be 100 types of different questions. These are very few questions just to build up a concept, but there are infinite number of questions that can be made on these identities. So I request you all that you practice a lot from wherever you get. You can practice as much as questions you can, so that you know how to use these identities. 1 or 2 or more identities can be used in even a single question. So I expect everyone to please revise and practice. In case there is any doubt, you can write your book name, chapter name, question number, chapter number, exercise number, question number in the comment. I will try to solve it for you here only and post it to you, right? So that is all for today. I hope you would like this class. So kindly like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Have a nice day.